Everyone who knows me very well knows that I like to bake pies. And I also enjoy fruits. All sorts of fruits. And chestnuts. And hazelnuts. Roasted, but medium. Anyway, I also love to perform. So for this eatable performance, I've decided to bake a pandemic fruit pie. And here are some ingredients I will take for my preparation. First, I will need this little spoon for a spoonful of information on the pandemic in the media. I want to limit my media coverage and not consume too many information, because if the heat rises up too big, too fast, it will overbake and it will taste like shit. In this first step, it is important for you to carefully separate the yolks from the egg white and make sure that your eggs come from a reliable source, like a domestic farm. Say, you don't want to buy your eggs at your local hairdressers now, do you? This is the knife I'm going to use to cut the bullshit. Of course, be careful if the knife is very sharp. You don't want to hurt anybody's feelings, because making a pie is a love's work after all, and we are all very, very sensitive. Ow! Here's a scale to measure the amount of human stupidity or reason. It is important for this scale to be in balance, because if we eat too much of either ingredient, it may cause us diarrhea or nausea. And we don't want that. Be careful with your lemon drops, because nobody likes it too bitter or full of acid. And don't forget to use a little bit of sugar or honey, because pies are meant to make us feel good at the end of the day. Remember to choose your ingredients wisely and in the right amount so that your pie is just the way you want it. And don't forget, people might be allergic to some of the ingredients. So be very, very careful who you choose to serve it to. Other than that, enjoy.